My day begins with a cup of coffee. Then I prep my kitchen for another day of cooking and baking. Mornings are often filled with crafting the perfect sourdough. It takes time, but the moment it emerges from the oven, filling the house with its warm, comforting scent, oh, it's just pure bliss. Weekends often are for gatherings and celebration. Hosting dinner parties is one of my favorite activities. From baking cakes adorned with homemade frosting to preparing a feast, these events are about creating memories as much as they are about food. Recording for YouTube is where creativity meets technology. Setting up cameras and narrating the steps of a recipe requires planning and a lot of patience. Sharing my kitchen tips and culinary experience with viewers from around the world is immensely fulfilling. Fundraisers bring another layer of purpose to my baking. Baking goodies, breads, and other treats to support a cause combines my passion for food with the desire to make a difference. One of the greatest joys is the ability to share my baking with friends. Whether it's a beautifully wrapped loaf of sourdough or a box of freshly baked goodies, these gifts are tokens of love and appreciation. Each day as a food content creator has its challenges, requires hard work, creativity, and heart. It's more about just making food. It's about fostering community, celebrating life's moments, and sharing the love that goes into every food I make. Hi, my name is Leia. I am the creator of Leia's Culinary Treasures. Thank you for being part of my journey.